In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw and analyze trend lines like a pro using TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, understanding how to properly draw and interpret trend lines can be a game changer in your technical analysis arsenal. So let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll want to open TradingView and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific chart you wish to analyze. Having your chart up and ready is essential for a smooth workflow as we move through the steps. Now, let's turn our attention to the left side of the chart. Here, you'll find the Drawing Tools menu, your gateway to a variety of tools that can enhance your charting experience. Scroll through the options until you locate the Trendline tool. This is the instrument we will be using to create our trend line. With the Trendline tool selected, it's time to start drawing. Click on the chart to set the first anchor point of your trend line. This initial point is where your analysis begins, so choose wisely based on the data you have. Next, move your cursor to the spot where you'd like to set the second point. When you found the right position, click again to finalize the line. This second point complements your first, and together they create the trajectory of the trend. As you draw your trend line, a label will pop up on the chart displaying the angle at which your trend is set. This angle is crucial as it provides insight into the trend's direction and momentum. If you're interested in diving deeper into the specifics, you can click on the trend line to open its Properties or Stats dialog box. Here you'll find detailed measurements and options for further adjustments. For those seeking a more precise angle, like a 45-degree line, TradingView offers a nifty shortcut. Simply hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while setting the second point of your trend line. This locks your line to specific angles, allowing for a degree of precision that can be extremely beneficial for your analysis. Moreover, for those wanting automatic trend angle measurements, TradingView's community and indicator list have you covered. Look out for trend angle indicators. These tools provide a continuous measure of the trend's steepness, helping you get the most accurate reading possible. Understanding the significance of a 45-degree trend line can also enrich your analysis. A line at this angle often signals a healthy, balanced trend, indicating a steady and reliable progression between price and time, as recognized by TradingView experts. With these steps and insights, you're well equipped to make the most out of your chart analysis with TradingView. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep refining your skills and exploring the various tools at your disposal. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.